Hello guys, 4 PM na ng gabi at pauwi na kami ng bahay. Grabe, sobrang naging busy namin, but I'm just happy kasi pauwi na, at last makaka-relax na. Oh, may pa-light light pa, pero hindi naman siya ganun kaganda. Maganda ba? Okay. Oh my God, you're so nice dong. Oh, you're so nice. But anyway, pauwi na kami ng bahay guys, and actually this week parang wala akong day off, pero okay lang, ganun talaga. Mas mabuti na yung may trabaho tayo at walang day off kaysa nag-day off lagi. My God, nahiya ako kunti da. Yung nasa labas na may sasakyan nakatingin. Anyway, so bukas ay, ano bang gagawin ko? Bukas guys, mag-work ako. Supposedly, ewan ko ba ano nangyari, off ko sana today and tomorrow, kaya lang, change of plan. Kailangan ko mag-work tomorrow 8 to 12, konting oras lang, pero that's fine kasi pag Saturday and Sunday tawag doon, there's much more payments kaysa sa normal days. So ganun talaga, kahit tayo, lalo na't nandito tayo sa abroad, take advantage pag may mga ganun. So anyway, yung asawa ko dito, say hi dong.
Hi,
Ganun. So ano guys ba, may chika ako. Wag niyo, don't kill it yet. May chika ako sa inyo ba? May mga may nabasa ako kanina na parang walk away from people daw who makes gossip. Pero feeling ko naman lahat naman tayo nagagasip-gossip guys. Parang even if we admit it or not, at some point naging marites tayo sa ating mga buhay-buhay. Right now, do you know what marites means? Martin?
It's the same as Marisol.
What is Marisol?
Chica.
Oh, oo nga. Pero, yun nga yung parang
Basically, it's your mother and father.
You're so bad, Martin. Basically, it's everyone. No, parang, it's so easy to say na, walk away from people who do gossip. We all know na everyone naman talaga ay nagagossip. Depende na yun kung gaano, parang if ginagawa mo siya ng sobra-sobra, ganyan. Pero, yun, feeling ko naman, as you go along na tumatanda ka, mayroon naman talagang gossip. Ganyan naman talaga. That's part of life. Pero pag ayaw mo, no need naman to walk away. But you can always, change the topic para yung isa ay...
Oh my God,
ganun.
be quiet.
Oh, quiet daw. Pero parang ang oil na walk away with blah blah blah. Lahat naman tayo guys. Let's admit it. Lahat tayo ginagawa yan. That's part of life. So ako, hindi ako mag-walk away.
That's it.
hindi ako mag-walk away pag one of my friends ay nag-gossip. Kasi part of fun yan. Pero hindi naman dapat na sobra din. Kasi masama din yan, di ba? Yun. Kayo ba nag-gossip din ba kayo? Nag-chika-chika din ba kayo sa mga char-char John? Ganun? Okay, that's it. Buyers.